Afternoons, Arthur and June. June, we've been here now nearly 3 years, isn't it? Yes. We were attracted here when basically we saw the entrance. That was one of the major attractions when we rolled up, and we immediately felt at home to a certain extent. We had a great welcome by the staff, absolutely superb, and we settled in. We were only here for a few days and we settled in very quickly.
My name's Maggie, this is Lee. When we saw this particular spot, we just fell in love with it, didn't we? Because of the views and everything, and it was just so quiet and peaceful. So
the best thing about being a holiday home owner is the fact that, well, when we finish work Friday, we just pack our bags, bit of food, come down, and it's just lovely. It's just so easy, you know. I mean, I just can't wait till Friday comes because we're back down here every weekend.
They're fantastic people that look after us really well. It does make me feel safe and happy, really. It's lovely here, it just suits us.
It's what I call a no-stress second home.
If somebody was thinking about buying a holiday home, I'd say just do it. We've never ever looked back, have we? Never ever regretted it.
And what I love about this site as well is that, like I say, all the neighbours are really friendly, everyone's lovely.
Yeah.
You get on with everyone.
If somebody was thinking of moving here, purchasing, and it is a big decision, clearly, is really to come here and either rent a place or stay locally if it's full, and get to know the site. But most importantly, and I say this genuinely, to get to know the management and staff, because they're the people that run it, they're the people that live here, and they're totally and utterly committed to making it a success. It's part of their lives as well. And it's only by spending a little bit of time that people can assess it for themselves. There's no salesmen here. They are people who are genuinely enjoying the job and their own careers. And we've found that we fit into that to a certain extent, which makes us relax.
Well, I enjoy the freedom that I feel I have. This particular holiday home is spacious, isn't it? Well, we just love it, don't we? We like the lifestyle. You can eat in, or you can eat out, or you can barbecue, or you can, you know, it's like home, but it's more. It's better.